Hey guys, Kalesan, co-founder of Joystix here. I have got some awesome new things that have come in from Amazon today. I am a PC builder as an enthusiast, no by no means an expert, but today I'm going to be upgrading my rig of 6 years to something a little bit more modern. Now I know that these new graphics cards NVIDIA has just launched have come out, the RTX series, but I'm using a GTX 1080, which is still plenty good for me and pretty awesome for gaming. So for you guys out there, I got all this stuff from Amazon. Shipped straight down to Nigeria. If you've got the money, no stress. I mean, personally, I don't think the cost was too much in terms of, in fact, it was better because the exchange rates, it's 317 versus 360, and you pay for import and shipping, and to be honest, that wasn't that bad either. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's check out the new goodies from Amazon. Alright, let's see what's inside here first. Yeah, I have to blur all this stuff out. Oh, my GTX 1080, I can already see it. It's inside here, so that's exciting. So I've got GeForce GTX 1080 here. This is an awesome graphics card, as people know. Pretty much handles any gaming you can do. I'm going to be gaming mostly in 1080p. Maybe I'm thinking of getting a new monitor, so I might game in some 1440p or 4K. But no matter what it is, it should probably be able to handle it in decent quality. So I'm happy with that. That's all that's in it. What's inside here? Oh, my thermal paste. My thermal paste. It's always good to get your own thermal paste. The stuff that comes with the CPUs are okay, but for a recommendation, I heard that you should always try and get your own. It's pretty good. Alright, so on to the next box. And don't worry guys, this was shipped by our Enermax, and I know sometimes people are always worried that Enermax is going to put a bunch of extra charges on it, but you pay for all the shipping and import duties on Amazon, and they just bring it straight to your door. It's not like when you order on ASOS or anything, so keep that in mind. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, let's continue our unboxing of the second box, which has gotten me excited. You can see other Asus stuff in here. Okay, so first and foremost is my new CPU. It's a i7 8700K for the LG 1151 socket, which is inside this Asus motherboard you see there. So I'm pretty happy about that. Any other stuff in here? That's cool. Print that over here. This is my water cooling solution, Hydro series. It's pretty big, bigger than I thought it would be. I've never used water cooling before. I usually use some kind of fan cooling, so I guess I wasn't expecting the box to be this massive. But yeah, this is what it is. It's a water cooling option. Extreme performance 240mm liquid CPU cooler. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, put that over here. And then finally, the reason why I had to change everything in the first place. My new 1151 socket motherboard, which means all my other stuff is now redundant. But guys, if you want my old stuff, it's still pretty good. It's a Core i5 5th generation CPU and some DDR. I got 32 gigs of DDR3 Ram. So yeah, this is my new motherboard, 23070A. I don't have a Wi-Fi port for it, so that kind of sucks. I should have gotten one with the Wi-Fi option. So if you do get a board, get one with the Wi-Fi option. I was a bit too hasty to replace my board when I found out all this stuff wasn't working. But yeah, so just there you go. You guys. Okay, this is the final piece. I'll just open this up for you guys. It's this is my DDR4 RAM. I've got 32 gigs of Corsair DDR4. Initially I bought some Trident ones, but I canceled it and switched to these because these were cheaper. The Trident ones were RGB and they're 4 sticks of 8. This is 2 sticks of 16, which means I can upgrade it to 4 sticks of 64. So this is what I decided to go with because I just thought it was a better value, better. Okay guys, so I've just got this open. Let's check this out. Ooh. There you go. Corsair Vengeance. Low profile LPX, 3000 megahertz, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. So this should be pretty awesome. I don't think it supports Core i7, supports Intel, I don't know what that is. Intel Inside Core, I guess. Nothing really interesting on the back. But yeah, I can see the true RAMs through the sockets, and that's awesome. And for some reason, they both say DDR4 30GB 2x16. But yeah, I would have thought it would say 16 on each. But as you can see, it's not 3,200 megahertz or anything like that. I kind of did some research and I didn't see any massive gains from the extra 200 megahertz. So yeah, that's a go. And those are the upgrades for my new build. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video about all the stuff I bought to set up this awesome PC build. While I was actually editing and shooting this video, I actually got another piece of equipment, which I'll throw in at the end of this video as an Easter egg. Meanwhile, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will definitely help us out a lot. And if you would definitely buy your own piece, components or PC parts, let me know down in the comments below. And if you need any help, I'm more than willing to help and to point you to the pieces or parts that I got. And yeah, check out our other video about putting this awesome PC build together. It was quite the ordeal, but it was awesome. So I put that together for you so you guys can see how I did it and to avoid any pitfalls that I avoided. So see you guys in the next one. I have just received the last, well, almost the last piece of my perfect PC build setup. Perfect for me anyways. Something really special has arrived from Amazon. Only took about 4 days, so I'm really excited about that. And let's go ahead and see what inside. Let me help you unbox this. Guys, girls, no scissors at home. Unless you play guitar. Then you can use your hands like I did. So what's inside the box is another box. Boom. I'm surprised you're there. It's another box. Okay. Asus, In Search of Incredible. You guys have probably seen this upside down, so let me flip it around for you. Asus, In Search of Incredible. I wonder what could be inside there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, and I'll show you guys what's inside. In case you're wondering what was inside the box, is an Asus PB277. What's that, you say? Well, it's a monitor, a 1440p monitor to be exact, to go with my new powerful PC. Since everything I seem to throw at it seems to work like a charm, I decided to give it something to work for. Otherwise, what's the point of having all those pixel pushers if you can't do that? Here we go. Again, use knife, kids. Play with knives at home. That's my advice. I'm kidding. Don't actually do that. Okay. Here we are. And what do we have inside the box? I've got an HDMI cable. I've got a VGA cable. Fun times. I've got a power cable, American style. If you want Nigerian/UK style, you have to order from Amazon.co.uk, but I noticed they don't have a lot of stuff that ships to Nigeria on .co.uk. Miracle. And DisplayPort, awesome. I was hoping to get some of this for free. It looks like it's regular DisplayPort, so I heard that these used to ship with mini DisplayPort, but it's regular, so that's perfect. That's my stand. All right. And I guess the coup de grace, the monitor itself, is inside here. I don't know, this is manuals and some random cables. It looks like audio cables, like an aux cable. And some plastic stuff. Yeah, awesome plastic stuff. Let's look at the monitor itself. Voila, here it is. I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna let you guys see what this looks like all set up. Cheers. All right guys, so here it is unboxed. Forgive that it's on my couch. This is a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why, but I thought it was a 23-inch, but it's a 27-inch. So yeah, there's that. This thing is actually absolutely massive. I don't know how people do ultra wides that are so massive. I never need that level of screen real estate. But yeah, let's put this up next to the PC and see how it works.